Good afternoon everyone, this is Dr. Will with an update in my Lexus SC430. The sun is out, so that can only mean one thing: it's time for the roof down. And how nice this is. I just wanted to give you a quick update on the battery situation. As you may remember, the battery's died twice after leaving it only for 2 days. That's the longest I've ever left it, and the battery died, which is really disappointing. So to try to eliminate any problems, I bought a new UASA battery. I was recommended, some of the guys on the forum recommended that particular battery, and also a stockist. I actually managed to find it in my local Halfords, who price matched it, and can you believe it was £50 more expensive? But amazingly, they managed to price match it. So just goes to show, if you don't ask, you don't get. So far, this is the longest that I've left it, which is 3 whole days. Obviously, I'm a little bit careful, a little bit worried after what's happened before. Is it going to start? Is it going to drain all the juice when I leave it for 1 or 2 days? But so far, the signs are looking good. And I'm going to try and leave it even longer. But obviously, when the roof's down, why wouldn't I want to be driving it? So I'll show you an image of the battery. It's slightly more powerful than the last one, so that's good. And yeah, very, very pleased. So I think I paid, with a price match, I think I paid £86, which is amazing. So that's really it for me. Just wanted to give you an update. The next thing I think I mentioned is I've got to keep a close eye on the water coolant, or the engine coolant. When I had it serviced, they said they had to top up by about 1 litre. And I know that's a common problem with the SC430. But so far, all is good. And I just wanted to give you an update. But for now, enjoy this glorious sunshine, and I'll be in touch soon with more videos. If you've enjoyed this one, as ever, please do like and subscribe. It helps the algorithms and helps me produce more videos. So have a great weekend and stay safe.